Do you find yourself falling for the wrong guy again and again? Do you end up getting hurt or feeling worthless in relationships? Do you often question कि अच्छे लड़के हैं भी या नहीं इस दुनिया में? या फिर you think about your current partner कि ये वाला ठीक है, I'll stick to him because other men are worse. Films and popular culture have played a huge role in perpetuating the idea that girls are attracted to bad boys. So to make things clear, here are the 8 things in boyfriends and relationships that you don't need. Number 1 is a guy who you think you can change. Maybe he can't hold down a job or smokes or drinks too much, is abusive, shouts at you a lot, or just doesn't treat you as an equal. And no matter what it is, you are willing to stay the course and invest that time in him and make him into what you want him to be. Well, first of all, उसकी जिंदगी उसकी है. So किसी से इतना expectations रखना कि वो change होगा for you is not good. You want to be someone's partners, not babysitters or therapists. Do we need to look out for each other? Of course. But does that mean you keep covering for them when they are not willing to make any effort at all? Number 2 is the pick up after me kind of a guy. These are the men who expect you to clean, cook, wash dishes. Beware of these men because they might behave like they're your children and you're their mother for the rest of your life. Number 3, you have to have sex with me kind of a guy. If you're someone who's never been intimate before and you find yourself with a guy who constantly keeps forcing you to do things that you are not ready to do or you don't want to do them, then it's definitely time to get out of that relationship. He is not worth your time and energy. Be with someone who understands the meaning of consent and does not force you. Number 4 is the kind of guy who will not communicate or express an emotion even if his life was dependent on it. Now, I don't mean to say that you shouldn't date someone who's not able to express themselves, but kabhi to kuch to bole. Why do we fall for emotionally unavailable men and why do they seem attractive? Or someone who is just not invested in you. Why would you want to be with someone like that? Number 5 is the manipulator. Someone who gaslights you and makes you think that they are right and you are wrong at all times. And that there is nothing in the world that can be his fault. Mansplaining and manipulating is something you don't need in your life. If you see that happening, cut the guy out. Number 6 is someone who's possessive and territorial. Looks at you like you're his property and someone who needs to be controlled at all times. Bhabhi hai teri, bol ke they'll establish that you are his property. That might seem romantic to some people, but it is not. Number 7 is the violent guy. Someone who abuses you physically or emotionally. Life with a man like this is not a happy one. He will use all kind of tactics to keep you close, but this person can ruin you faster than you think. So if you see some signs of an abusive relationship, make sure to end it as soon as you can. And whatever you think, don't believe that you can save a man like this. He won't change until he wants it. So it is better to end it while you still can. Last is someone who does not believe in equality. Now I know a lot of women are okay with staying with someone who does not see them as an equal because that's what they've grown up to believe, that ladka aur ladki equal nahi ho sakte. But with time you'll realize that it is so difficult to live with someone who does not believe in basic equality, who tells you कि लड़कियां कुछ चीजें नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि वो लड़कियां है, who doesn't let you wear the clothes of your choice, who doesn't let you wear heels because you might look taller than him, and बहुत सारी ऐसी छोटी छोटी everyday चीजें जो maybe तुम्हें लगेगा कि it's not even that big a deal, but trust me, it is, and you will realize it one day. That's it for today. Happy dating!
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.